Kendrick is a menace, and if you are really analyzing or analyzing this battle right now, and you see what he's doing, not only on a you know lyrical level, because we already knew lyrically Kendrick, was far better rapper than Drake, but now he got a club banger too. That was the only thing that Drake could say, could hang his hat on and say like, well, at least I got the clubs rocking. At least I got the bangers. He ain't got no club hits. And then he made a freaking West Coast bop. I already know LA going up. You know what I mean? So I just want to say, Drake, if you're watching this right now, man, I agree with the people that say we need timestamp Drake. I agree, But honestly, to be honest with you, it might just be better for you to sit this out and just, call it a day. Call it, it's okay, man.